Hi, this is Mark, and in this brief video we'll give an overview of TimeTracker Desktop. Let's get started. I'm going to open up TimeTracker just by starting up the application, and you'll notice there's a checkbox, Keep Me Logged In. So when I start it up, it's going to instantly or momentarily log me in with my credentials. I can also set this up so that when the computer starts, it starts up automatically and logs me in. So you don't have to think about starting up TimeTracker at all. Now what TimeTracker does is it's going to actually capture my work in any application on the desktop as well as certain applications. So right here I have a Word and a Keynote presentation. Let me open this up and you'll see that I'm actually working in a document called ASPCA.doc. And it's actually being represented already in TimeTracker that I'm working in Word and the document is ASPCA.doc. There's also an orange colored project called ASPCA 334, etc. It's one of my jobs, one of my active job codes that has been already assigned to this document. So that's wonderful. I must have used it already. Let me open up the ASPCA keynote presentation, and when I open that up, you'll see that TimeTracker already knows that it also is part of this ASPCA project. And so I have these two different documents. As I jump back and forth, it actually shows me what I'm working on and what application. So all I need to do is do a little bit of work and it shows up. So that's great. What about when I have multiple documents within the same application? So let me open up this project I've been doing for Barilla. Let me bring it better on screen. You can already see in TimeTracker that it indicates that I've been working on this other project, in this case colored by green, and again it's in my project list. There it is. I could select anything just by clicking on it. There's the Apple project, but I don't want to associate my time with that. So I'll keep it to the green. And as you already noticed, it gets saved with the document. So when the document opens up, it already knows. So as I go back and forth now, you can see it really clearly going between the green and the orange. So that's the way TimeTracker Desktop works. It's very simple. It's very elegant. Now, once this information is captured, the next thing that we need to do, let me bring over the browser here, and I'll log in so you can actually see how it shows up. So as I log into my timesheet, let's say at the end of the week, or at any point, I can scroll down and I can actually look. Oh, look, I worked on some ASPCA work, then I have an unassigned 15-minute slot. Right now, I must have done a lot of work on the Barilla project. And so if I'm curious how my time was actually spent, I can click on that magnifying glass and actually see all the documents I touched. I can see that during this 15-minute segment, it reports that I worked on the ASPCA presentation, that I worked in the Barilla document in Word, and I don't think all the data has come through yet because I know for sure that I worked on this ASPCA.doc as well, and so that'll come through momentarily. But most importantly, it's capturing all the work I did, it presents it here, and it has a running total in real time. That's it. If you like what you see, you can get a free version. You can sign up for the free license, I should say, at CreativeWorx.com. That's CreativeWorx, WORX.com. Sign up, and you can get started immediately. Thank you. Take care.